Alright, hello everyone. Today I'm going to be simply teaching you how you can go ahead and freeze frame on your Premiere Pro, and this video is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video till the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So I'm going to be showing you two ways that you can simply have a freeze frame on your video. So the first way is by simply right-clicking on the clip on the timeline that you want a freeze frame. So all you're going to do is select this insert frame hold segment right over here, and you're going to click on that. And finally, once you click on that, it's going to create a 2-second frame hold, as you can see. If you want this 2-second freeze frame to be longer, all you want to do is press Control on Windows and simply drag this out to the length you want, as you can see. So that is one way to go ahead and create a freeze frame. The other way is simply by clicking on this camera segment right over here. As you can see, you're simply going to click on this camera icon, and you're going to check mark this import to project and change the format to JPEG, and simply click OK. And as you can see, it's going to have it right over here, and you're simply going to import this static image over your footage, and you can simply move the footage to where you want it to start normally. So if you thought this video was helpful, feel free to comment down below and let me know. And if you haven't already, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you so much for watching.